Welcome, lovies. My name is Emerald C, and I'm here to do a Temu unboxing. This is my first order from Temu. It just came in the mail yesterday, so we're gonna unwrap everything right now. Fluffy house shoes. So that's right there what I ordered. Next up, I got these like sheet face masks, and it's in orange, and they're about 5 of them. So nice face mask. So once you wash your face, you can just kind of like place them on top. That's what I ordered. This. This was actually a bag for my car. I didn't need anything like extra special. I just wanted to have like an extra bag to kind of throw stuff in my car for my truck. It's pretty compact and simple, and that's what I ordered. I got here from Temu. This is a first. Oh, hold on. So this is a, what was it? It was a headband wig. It does have a bit of an odor. Like kind of like a fishy chemical odor. But this is the wig. I feel like after being washed, this could be nice for when I don't feel like doing my hair. I just like slick it back and then throw in my nice little headband wig. And it's crazy because it's actually very full. It's pretty full. Got a little weight to it and everything. And that's what I ordered. I ordered another wig. This one is curly. This. Okay, this is cute. This actually doesn't have an odor. So this is what it looks like. This is super cute. This is another one. I feel like it's like a last minute wig. Like if you want to go somewhere, you're doing something and you're like, I don't feel like doing my hair. You just slick it back and then toss in your headband wig. Look at that. It feels pretty full. And that's what I ordered. Lip liner. Lip liner was the last thing I ordered. What color is this? Oh, eye and lip. It was supposed to be like a darker red. We'll see how this works. Oh, it's really light. I can't see anything. Okay. Oh, there it is. It does show up. Okay, so maybe it's because of my lip gloss. Anyway, this is what I got. I feel like after I take off lip gloss, this will work out well. And this is what I ordered right here. So I got all these items on Temu for like I think a total of $7 for all of it. Shipping was relatively quick, so it was a nice experience. It was a pretty good first experience from Temu. If you like this video, feel free to like, comment, share, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.